English with Billy Bud. Reciprocal pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns and noun phrases. Reciprocal pronouns are words that express a mutual action or relationship. The reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. If the pronoun refers to two things, use each other. If the pronoun refers to more than two, use one another. Here are examples for each other. Bob and Terry love each other. They gave each other presents for the holiday. Do you two respect each other? Both teams challenged each other. The boys were fighting with each other. The two cars were competing with each other. The dogs were fighting with each other. Bob and Renee lived with each other. They kissed each other many times. No one knows why they're shouting at each other. The twin brothers often argue with each other. Ray and Roy are waving at each other. They have been writing to each other for years. We sent each other Christmas cards. Bob and Emma have given a gift to each other. Here are examples for one another. All of the workers celebrated with one another. Before they began talking, they bowed to one another. The entire family loves one another. I admire the way you help one another at work. The entire team played their best for one another. They were all blaming one another for the loss. All four boys were arguing with one another. They worked with one another as a team. How do they vary from one another? The kids spent the afternoon kicking the ball to one another. They all shook hands with one another. The teachers were talking to one another about the exam. While this subject might seem a little confusing at first, with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Ask your teacher to further explain the subject of reciprocal pronouns. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching. Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.